Good morning, everybody. At least it's morning where I am. Welcome to the channel. Thank you guys for being here. A sincere thank you for your support so far and spending your valuable time here, checking in with me today. Freaking deer season is here. I mean, it's been all over the country. We've been watching everybody in the Midwest and the Dakotas and all these guys up here traveling everywhere, seeing bucks, seeing some really cool content come out, seeing some cool videos. And it's like everybody in Texas is just sitting over here. Come on! But it's finally here. It is October. It is time to go for us Southerners down here. So good luck to all of you guys from Texas and other in the South. Everybody else in the South where the season's kicking off. And in today's video, we got a big announcement. And we're also going to cover some of the plans for this year for those of you who might be interested. So what we got coming up this year is we're going to be hunting a lot of public land in Texas, a lot of national forests, big timber hunting. Very difficult, but super fun and challenging. We're going to be hunting some MLD properties. We kind of covered that in some of the past videos. You can go check that out. We're going to be hunting Central Texas. We're going to take a trip up to the good old hill country. We're actually going to do some free range exotic hunting along with some additional whitetail. Probably some good spot and stock action coming up on that one. So can't wait for that hunt. We also have permission in Kansas. Clear, just honest to goodness, genuine trust, permission of a property that just came up. I don't know if we're gonna make it this year, but we're definitely gonna get up there and do some scouting. And I've never hunted in Kansas, and I'm just so excited about that. So we'll see how that goes. The other thing is I'm knocking on doors and got permission on spot. And it was the craziest thing because I've never killed a deer here in my home county for some reason. So always hunting away, never killed a deer here. So I've got this spot, already seeing deer and already seeing bucks. That was cool how that played out. And actually I think I got some footage of that. Can we roll the clip for the hometown property? There's nobody there. I act like I got people, right? I got no people. So that's gonna be super cool, but I'm gonna show you a little clip of that right now. Check it out. It makes me want to throw up just about. I'm not good at handling the nerves to do it, but I still love it so much, I do it anyway. Just got.
Hey man, I just got a call, bro. You got it.
Yeah. Working on a food plot video that we did on our MLD property where we put in about 3.5 acres to 4 acres of food plots, a lot of clover, winter rye, cool little program we did. Also, we did some test spots on there. Gonna go through that comprehensively. Is that a word? We're gonna do a comprehensive review of that. And I'm no expert. I'm not gonna tell you guys, what to do, how to do it. There's a lot of other people better out there than me. But what we can do is show you what we did and what the results are. And probably an announcement is I'm actually going to be changing logos and changing name. So, and look, the reason is, in case you haven't figured it out, this is a one-man show. When I talk about we, I talk about me and you guys, bringing you guys along because, that's the whole goal, right? So you guys are with me all the time, and I appreciate all your support so far. It's just crazy. So the reason is when you are, a sole content creator, you're playing the role of hunter, creative director, producer, whatever other fancy names you can come up with, marketer. You have a lot of arguments with yourself, a lot, and I do that all the time. And when you start arguing with yourself out loud, people tend to notice. But eventually you got to push the record button and you got to go forward. I put a lot of work into what the Hone Hunter and what it is now. But I've always had this other thing working behind the scenes, and I just became addicted to it. And I'm just a simple, long, tall Texan country boy who loves hunting really on some sort of weird high level that I can't get anybody's style. And it kind of fits my personality. Just the fact that I don't take myself very serious a lot of time. I like to have fun and all that. So I think this logo kind of fits that, and the new name that goes along with it. So it's it's kind of serious, it's kind of fun, it's kind of country style. So that's really forms in the YouTube logos and everything. So there's only might as well do it now, right? When just starting out, and for those of you who are out there who care, I just letting you know. So I think it's gonna be really cool. I hope you guys enjoy it, and the basis and the values don't change. It's really about passion, spending that time, sharing information, sharing knowledge, creating experiences, and enjoying God's creation and giving Him the glory, and really sharing that with everybody too. So that's what I'm all about here. But I like to have fun, and I like to share this content and information. I'm really looking forward to it. Got some cool videos coming up. We're going to be in the stand in a couple days, and we're going to be off and running. And I know it's going to go by super fast, so we're going to enjoy every second of it we can, and thank the Lord for the opportunities that we do get to have. Thank you for the opportunity. I think we're sitting at 49 subscribers. If we can bust that 50, if anybody out there is willing to help me get to the 50, I'm a small win type of person, so I'll probably celebrate that in some way. Maybe we'll do something. So if you're enjoying it, guys, just do me a big favor and bang that bell, subscribe, like it, just communicate with me, guys. I'm having fun. I've already met some people doing this process, talked to some hunters in the area and beyond, just sharing information, sharing tactics. So it's been really cool. I'm so grateful that you're here and that you stopped by and said hi today, and stick with me going forward, guys, because it's going to be a crazy season. It's going to be a lot of fun. So we'll see you out there.